broken highlighters. Oh my gosh, that's the worst feeling. I'm gonna fix it with alcohol and a fork. That's pretty much it. Everything you have at home. Okay, so guess what? Something happened. This highlighter was broken before and it broke again because it fell this time. And this time the cover it broke off. And yeah, I was so sad because I'm like, oh my god, this is my favorite highlighter. It's the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and it's my favorite, all-time favorite. And I'm like, no, we cannot depart like this. I'm going to fix it. So I went ahead and I got my fork. This is something that you can use at home in your kitchen. Yes. Went ahead and I crushed it out. So it's very important that you crush it out to make sure that it is like powdery, so when you're going to mix it, it's easy to mix and it doesn't feel or it's not clumpy. So I'm just using the fork to just crush it out. You could use a fork or you could use a knife. So I'm just pouring a little of the alcohol from the cap, and then I'm just going to use a fork to just mix it, right? Went ahead and I poured some more. In order to fix this this highlighter, I use maybe like a full cap. Yes, I used a full cap, and I poured it, like as I mix it I poured it in and then mix it again, then I poured some more in. And as you can see, I'm so clumsy, so I threw away the alcohol on the table. But anyway, so I'm just pouring some more now and I'm just mixing. As you can see, it's almost like mixing cement. So if you work on construction and you always see them mixing the cement and the water, it's pretty much the same. Yeah, and they use like a fork to just mix it. It's the same. It's almost like kneading dumplings. You pour water, mix it. Yeah, so that's what I am doing now, just using the fork to just ensure that it is evenly mixed and everything is nice. That's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna let you sit, watch what I'm doing, because I'm basically just mixing it to ensure that everything is, the alcohol is mixed evenly and everything is moist, so that when we go into press it, it's going to be easily pressed and it will not move, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so continue watching. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using my fingers just to press the product in and to ensure that it is, mixed properly and I don't feel any lumps and so because I can't feel that with the fork. So I'm just using my fingers just to press it in. It's gonna be a little bit messy, this part, but you can rub the highlighter on your face or you could rub it on your body if you want to glow. Mix it with your lotion and just rub it on your body So after pressing it with my fingers, this is how it's looking. Gonna take a piece of paper cloth and I'm just gonna put it over top of the highlighter. Use my fingers now to press it in. Then I'm going to use the cover. You could use anything to press it in. If you have something that's more square, if you even have like a stamp, you could use a stamp to design or do anything you want to. But as you can see, after me using the paper to press it in, it's nice and pressed. I went ahead and I used the paper also to wipe it off, but I'm going to press it again because it's not necessarily smooth and I want it to be smooth, like at the top or flat. So after doing that, this is what we have so far. It's pretty good. Right now as it is, you cannot use it on your face because it's going to be cold. It's still wet. So as you can see, this is Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. I am going to put it outside on the roof because the sun is shining there. Leave it for like maybe 2 or 3 hours, and because the sun is like very very hot, and when it dries I'm going to use it. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I just use a fork, paper towels, and what else, and alcohol, 70% alcohol, and everything is restored back to how it was before. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. Okay, got you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.